Sir, this one is 2.2 size. Okay, from here, from there last 1.9. Okay. Then if you check this one, sir, this is coming 95.95 centimeter. Ito sa'yo daw tong customer 2.4. Kaya sa'yo daw tong des. Kailan ba delivery niyan? Kasi darating yung stock niya. Kailangan ng customer ko ngayon. Darating yung stock 10 days pa daw. Pwede ba nating ano to ibigay?
Offline how much?
Subscribe!
700.
Sana all! Subscribe!
600. Sir, ito yung ano, 600 daw sabi ni madam. Okay to. Konti lang naman. Ito yung damage nyo. Ayan lang. Oh. Kung gusto mo, pa-deliver natin ngayon. So, wala naman siyang ibang damage. Yan, sir. Oh. Wala siyang ibang damage. Yan lang. Narinig mo naman sabi ni madam, di ba? Sabi niya 600 daw. Ito lang siya. Ayan lang. Yung maliit na to. Pero pwede na tong ano doktorin ba? See, Nakil wants to clean this one. Everything. Yesterday we cleaned this one. Okay. So in this area must be clean, neat. Okay. So that's why your chair must be bring in warehouse in Omal Queen and you can take from there. Okay. So that's why madam. Pero ito dadalhin to sa warehouse hindi daw makarating ngayon. Bukas daw. Bukas maano ba? Makapunta ba kayo dito bukas?
Sana all.